Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we'll be looking into logical operators of SQL. So let's start. In previous videos we have seen arithmetic as well as comparison. In today's video we are looking into logical operators. So in logical operators we are having AND, OR and NOT. Coming to logical AND, it is useful when we use two or more conditions in a query, and it returns true if all the conditions separated by AND is true. So coming to OR, the conditions will be separated by OR. And NOT is nothing but it takes only single expression and changes to true if it is false and false if it is true. And you'll get a better picture when we'll go through an example on it. So we are also having other operators of logical, also called as special operators, like all, any, and between, in, exist, and like and some. So these are also called as logical as well as special operators. So in today's video we'll be looking into only AND, OR and NOT. So let's start. In the previous videos, we have created a table called as employee for the purpose of arithmetic and comparison. So if you're new to my channel, please go through my previous videos on DDL and DML and SQL operators. So yeah, today also we'll be using the same table employee. So let's start. Let's select the data from our employee table. So let's select the data from the table using select query. Select start from table name. Control plus enter to run your query. Yeah, I have fetched 10 records. The column names as employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee age and employee bonus. So yeah, now we'll start with logical AND. As we have previously discussed about logical operators, logical AND is nothing but it compares two expressions, nothing but two conditions. If both the conditions are true, then only it will return true, otherwise false. Let's see with an example. For suppose if we want all the employee names from the employee table, who all are getting salaries greater than 30,000 and bonuses less than 3,000. So let's see, and the query is select emp underscore name from employee table, where the first condition is salary is greater than 30,000. In our case, the salary column name is emp underscore sal. So emp underscore sal greater than 30,000 and is nothing but the logical operator. It combines two conditions. Emp underscore bonus is less than 3,000. So it will return true when both the conditions return true. Both the conditions are true, otherwise false. Let's see by executing it. Control plus enter to run your query. No one is satisfying with both the conditions, as salary is greater than 30,000 and bonus is less than 3,000. I have executed the main query and renaming the tab to result. Now we'll check who all are the employees getting the salary as greater than 30,000. Okay, there are many members are getting the salary as greater than 30,000, but their bonus is not less than 3,000. So that is a condition. So that is the reason why we didn't get any employee in the result tab. Okay, the first condition is true and the second condition is false. So the entire query goes to false state. So let's try commenting the other condition and run the query. Okay, we are having 5 employees who are getting the salary as greater than 30,000, but it is satisfying with the first condition, and these employees are not getting the bonus as less than 3,000. So the second condition goes to false state, so that the entire query goes to false state. So let's do one thing, just copy the query and paste it, and we'll try with other values. This time I'm giving the employee bonus is greater than 3,000. Okay, yeah, we are getting 4 employees now. These 4 employees are satisfying with both the conditions, as their salary is greater than 30,000 and employee bonus is also greater than 3,000. Okay, we'll rename this tab to A&D. So I think you understood the difference between both the queries and also logical operator and. So we'll go with other logical operator called as OR. So as we have previously discussed from the PPT, logical OR is nothing but it compares two or more expressions, like two or more conditions, exactly two or more conditions, and returns true if any of the conditions separated by OR is true. So let's try with an example. Let's take the example of AND itself. So we'll understand the difference between AND and OR. Now we'll separate both the conditions with OR and try it. Yeah, we are getting 6 employees. Okay, we'll try with the first example of AND, that is less than 3000. In the case of AND we are not getting any employee, but in the case of OR we are getting 7 employees, because in OR any of the conditions separated by OR is true, it will return true. So the first condition in our case, it is true because in our table we are having employees greater than 30,000 getting salary greater than 30,000, and also we have employees in our table, bonus is also less than 3000. So both the conditions it is true, so it is executing and giving us the result as 7 employees. So all of these employees are having greater than 30,000 as a result. Some are like we'll check who all are having greater than 30,000 and who all employees are not having but having the bonus as less than 3,000. So it retrieves a combination of these two conditions. So in this case, Bolt is having the salary as greater than 30,000 but bonus is not less than 3,000. He is having bonus as greater than 3,000, that is 5,000. John not getting a salary as greater than 30,000 but he is there because his bonus is less than 3,000. So it is a combination of both the conditions, because both the conditions are true. If any of the condition is true, it will execute, it will result as true. So we'll check with other example to get a better idea. I'm just selecting the employee names from the employee table where the age is greater than 20. Employee age, in our case we are having EMP underscore AGE as a column name, or EMP underscore salary is equal to some 40,000. So we are having all, it retrieves all. It is only taking the first condition as greater than 20. All are having greater than 20 as their age in our case. So it is taking all as first condition is true, second condition is also true, and also it retrieves greater equal to the employees who are getting equal to 40,000. We'll go with AND now. See, with AND we are getting only 2 employees, because greater than 20 we are having all employees as they age greater than 20, but the employees who are getting 40,000 as their salary is only 2, so it retrieves only 2 because it should satisfy both the conditions in the case of AND. But in the case of OR, it takes any of the condition, so it retrieves more than 2 employees. I think you have understood the difference between AND and OR logical operators. So now we'll go with other logical operator called as NOT. So as we have previously discussed from the PPT, NOT operator, logical NOT is nothing but it takes only the single expression as an argument and changes its value from false to true, or it is true, it changes its value from true to false. So let's see with an example to get a better idea. For suppose if we want to retrieve all the employees from the employee table who are not getting their salary as 50,000. So the query is as follows: select EMP underscore name from employee where not EMP underscore SAL equal to 50,000. So it will retrieve the condition, it will retrieve the employees who all are not having their salary as 50,000. So in our case, we are having eight employees who are not having their salary as 50,000. So it except Anderson and even it retrieves all other employees. Okay, the same will try with the conditional operator not equal to. So select emp underscore name from employee table where emp underscore sal not equal to 50,000. This also results the same, but here we have used the conditional operator. Above we have used not, that is nothing but the logical operator. Okay, in order to get a better picture, we'll go with other example. For suppose if we want to retrieve all the employee numbers and names from the employee table, so the query is select employee number comma name from employee where not emp underscore age is less than 24. So it will retrieve all the employees who are not having the age as less than 24. So these two employees are not having the age less than 24. That means they are having the age as greater than 24. So in our result, we are having all the ages as greater like 21, 22, 23, but only two employees who are having the age is greater than 24. So we got Carl and Bolt who are having the age as greater than 24. So I think you have understood the logical knot. Now we'll try to frame a query using all logical operators that we have studied before. That is to frame a query using and, or, and not. So we'll try to do that. For suppose if we want to retrieve all the employee information from the employee table who all are having the age as greater than 20 and salary is equal to some 30,000, and we'll separate this inner condition with or as not salary equal to 25,000. So let's try this a combination of logical operators query. Now I'm trying to frame a query using all the logical operators. Just select all the information from the employee table as select star from employee where emp underscore age is greater than 20 and so and emp underscore sal equal to 30,000 or I'm trying to separate this inner condition with or, and the other condition is not sal equal to emp underscore sal equal to 25,000. So the inner condition is separated with or using not, also not operator, and the outer is separated with and. So we have separated the outer with and. So this query retrieves all the employees who all are having the age as greater than 20 and the employee's salary is equal to 30 or the salary should not be equal to 25,000. Let's try to run it. Okay, we have retrieved 9 employees all are having the age as 20, more than 20, greater than 20. So let's try to give the age as greater than 23 for easy identification. Okay, and it has retrieved only one employee who is having his age as greater than 23 and salary not equal to 25,000. So let's try to figure it out using our initial result. Let's go to result tab. Okay, so coming to the first condition, employee age is greater than 23. We are having only two employees who are satisfying this condition as employees age greater than 23, that is Carl and Bolt. Coming to inner condition, salary equal to 30,000 or salary should not be equal to 25,000. So coming to Carl's salary equal to 30,000, no, or Carl's salary should not be equal to 25,000 but his salary equal to 25,000. So we cannot take Carl. So coming to Bolt's salary is not equal to 30 or Bolt's salary should not be equal to 25. Yes, his salary is not equal to his salary is not equal to 25. So that is right. So it takes that, and the outer condition is also true in the case of Bolt. So it gives the result as Bolt. So I think you have understood all the logical operators that we have seen today, that each operator with an example. In the next coming videos, we'll be looking into other special operators of SQL like all, any, between, in, exist, sum and like. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.